Hi friend, welcome to my brand new course, Professional Video Editing with CapCut. I'm Mehdi Hassan Abid. I'm a professional trainer. I have been teaching online from the last 7 years and I have trained more than 1,500 students around the world. And what is the exciting part of this course? From recording to editing, everything you are going to learn with free software. You don't need to spend any penny for the softwares. And the best part of this software is very user friendly. And not only that, this software comes with also mobile version. There are so many important aspects basically of this software. One of the part is AI integration is there. So you can save lots of your time while you are editing your videos. While I will be sharing my tricks, techniques, I will also share with you some AI tools that can help you to edit your videos more professionally. And not only that, you can remove background noises completely and you will have clean audio. And what can you do after learning these classes? You can start your YouTube career, you can start your journey as a video editor, and not only that, you can do freelancing. There are so many works in Fiverr, Upwork, freelance. They are looking for professional video editor. We are going to learn more about the techniques, the tricks, that how you can make a boring content into engaging. So that's why I welcome you all to enroll in this course. And that's it for today. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the course.